As the new year approaches, many people are busy buying fireworks to celebrate the occasion. Vendors report a high demand for various types of firecrackers, with prices varying. PTV's Ron Lagusad tells us more.
This New Year's Eve, crowds of last-minute shoppers are flocking to buy fireworks as this become a part of their tradition in welcoming the new year. Billy traveled all the way from Tondo, Manila to Bocaue, Bulacan to buy fireworks this New Year's Eve.
Para sa amin, hindi talaga mawawala. Parang panata, parang every year ganun talaga. Mas maingay, mas maganda, mas maswerte. Papasok yung mga good fortune.
Among the fireworks he bought were rounds of sawa, aerial fireworks, and fountains. Billy, who's from Quezon City, also bought fireworks today. But for this year, he was being a bit more frugal with his purchases.
Usually talaga dito ako bumibili. Ngayon lang nagka-oras na bumiyahe ng Bocaue. Tapos uwi na ulit ng Manila.
He bought some sawa and quitis for the New Year celebration later. They're just the two of many shoppers this New Year's Eve in Bocaue. According to Dayan, a vendor, many people have already been buying since December 29, including those who placed pre-orders.
Madami pa rin pong tao ngayon na hindi nang ubos. Parang ganitong rush hour po talaga, dagsaan po yung tao. Tingin ko po mas dadami pa kasi alam naman po natin may mga Pilipino. Pagka ganyan rush hour, doon dumadating, doon humahabol.
She mentioned that some fireworks prices have gone up while others have become cheaper. The best sellers are aerial fireworks, priced from 550 pesos, while the most expensive can reach 45,000 pesos, depending on the number of shots. Fountains, which are also in demand, ranging from 3,400 pesos for the smallest ones up to 1,500 pesos for the larger ones. The famous sawa starts at 180 pesos for the cheapest.
Malakas naman yung benta ngayon compare po dati. Parang pandemic pa po. Parang mahigpit pa. Pero ngayon po, mas okay yung bentahan.
To ensure the safe selling of fireworks, there is a fire extinguisher available in the store and they reprimand customers who smoke. In addition, firefighters from the Bureau of Fire Protection are on standby in the area. From PTV Manila, Rod Lagusad, Balitang Pambansa.